Oh, there's a dog.
Hey, can you help me? Can you go get a...
34
Come on, bub.
41, got a
Come on. There you go. Good boy, buddy. Chief, can you get me just that oxygen hooked up right there? This bottle? Yeah, that bottle goes to that guy. Just try to shove that on there. I'm going to try to go between. They're getting light. There he goes. He's starting to breathe around.
Yeah, he's starting to breathe better.
There he goes. He's blinking his eyes now.
There you go. Keep breathing. Keep breathing.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. He's blinking up. There you go. There you go.
Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. Whoever did, good job. Good job. All of you guys. Good job.
These guys will be a little slower than they were before, but they'll be all right.
Oh yeah, they'll be fine. I mean, they're up there. They're fine. They'll be all right. Yeah.